Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can mine Pi. Okay, if you don't know how to mine Pi, this video will teach you how you can mine Pi. All right. So I assume that you have registered with Pi network. So before you can mine Pi, you have to register, okay, and verify your account on Pi network. If you have not registered, go to the description of this video and register with my referral link. Okay, all right. So you click on the app. This is the Pi network app. Okay, you click on it, then you allow it to wait to load. Welcome to Pi. In case you don't know, Pi is a new digital currency that will soon be launched. Okay, so in the meantime, while we are waiting for it to launch, you have the privilege to mine Pi as much as you can. Okay, because after is launched, you won't be able to mine Pi. Okay, so for you to mine Pi, you come to this right side where you have this arrow pointing up. Okay, you click on it. Yeah, then you go down to where you have mine, not edit, mine. Okay, so you click on mine, then it will show you some advert like that. You can allow this ad to run so that Pi can earn some money from the ads. So it's another way of promoting Pi. All right, I allow the ads to run. Okay, then once it's done, you can just cancel the app. So you are back into the Pi network app. All right, to confirm if you are really mining, you come over here to the top side of the app. Okay, you can see it's counting. All right, that shows that you are really mining. Okay, so this is how you can mine Pi. If you don't have account with Pi network, you can click on the referral link at the description of this video. Click on it, register and verify your account. Okay, then you can start mining. I've verified mine. You can see right here the profile. You can see my phone number is verified, Facebook is verified, email is verified. I've done my KYC, identity verification, so I'm good to go. All right, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe right now. Hit the like button and turn on bell notification so that whenever I upload a valuable content like this, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.